which the guys told us about. And how about the offense? When Jay Cutler throws a bad interception, I love the pace opportunity, play after critical error. Mark Trestman talked about it. I asked him, I said, so how's it going? He goes,
one's a Latino.
Because we haven't failed yet.
Come here. Let me introduce myself to you.
Of it. And I love how they bounce back. They're using the right players.
My name is Mr. Gray. That's my, I'm going to shit on Daddy. That's what he just did. Mr. Gray shit on Daddy. Ooh, that was a big one.
Real quick, I know it's a half of
That was a big one, boy.
really good.
My gosh. Didn't know you could shit like that.
Detroit should be better than their record.
Okay.
Chicago can win this division.
That's Mr. Gray. And then here's Mr. Latino.
And he's just across the 20-yard line. San Diego scored right before the end of the half.
Here's Mr. Latino. Don't, Mr. Latino. Come here. Get off me. That's Mom and Dad. They think something weird's happening. That's Mom and Dad. There's Mr. Latino, Mr. Gray. Come on. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Say, I'm awful full of food. You better put me down or I'm going to poop on you too. Yeah. And of course we have Mom. Where's Mom? Is that Mom? And then there's Dad.
Ken Whisen on Steve a year ago, so that's obviously a connection.